In this video, I'll show you how to delete contacts from your Google account on an Android device. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Google. Then tap on it. Here, you will see your Google account displayed at the top. Tap on it. If you have multiple accounts logged in, you can select the one from which you want to delete contacts. After selecting the correct account, tap on the Google account option shown below your email address. This will take you to the Google account management page. At the top of the screen, you will see multiple tabs, including Home, Personal Info, Data and Privacy, Security, and People and Sharing. Tap on People and Sharing. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Contacts, then tap on it. This will take you to another page where you will see all the contacts saved in your Google account. If you want to delete specific contacts, you can individually select them by tapping on their profiles. However, if you want to delete all contacts at once, tap on the small arrow icon at the top. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select All to mark all contacts. If you change your mind and don't want to delete all contacts, you can tap on the arrow icon again and select None to unselect them. Since I only want to delete a specific contact, I will tap on the profile of the first contact to select it. Now on the top right corner of the screen, you will see 3 dots. Tap on them. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the contact. Tap on Move to Trash, and the contact will be deleted. If you accidentally delete a contact and want to restore it, you will see an Undo option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Undo, and your deleted contact will be restored. And that's how you delete a contact from your Google account on an Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.